Hello traders, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss a very simple and very profitable trading strategy which is known as 1-2-3 strategy or 1-2-3 trading strategy. So basically this is a very simple strategy. You do not need to place any indicator, or you do not need to draw any support, resistance or any other complicated pattern for this, because it is very simple to identify. So basically this is a reversal pattern. So let me just draw this strategy quickly for you. You can take example in next step. I will take example for chart in next step so that you get a better idea. So for first I will take the example of bearish reversal. As you can see from the chart, the trend is in uptrend firstly, as you can see from here. Then it revert back to point number 2 here. Then it jumped back to point number 3. So as you can see, the point 1 is the highest point, second is the lowest, and third is in between these two point. So you have to remember this, because if the point 1 is higher, the second two should be the lowest and third should be between these 2 point 1 and 2. So for bearish you need to wait for at least breakout of this zone. So you can take, or breakout of 2 point, you can take a bearish entry, or you can take short entry from this point and wait for a target from here. So in case of bearish, you have to remember that the trend is a rally, or you can say a uptrend in the beginning, and it behave afterward like this, as you can see from here. So this is bearish reversal. For the bullish, what you have to remember, let me just write it here. So for the bullish, actually the trend is look like this. Let me draw this, then I will change the color accordingly. As you can see from here, this is bullish, this is bearish, and this is also bullish. So as you can see from the chart, the point 1 is the lowest, the point 2 is the highest, and point 3 is in between these two level. As you can see from here, it can be somewhere around here like this. At this point you can take example from here, but it should not be lower than point number 1. It should not be lower than point number 1. And where to take entry, you have to wait the breakout of 2 level, and you can take bullish entry from here. So this is bullish reversal 1-2-3, and this is bearish reversal 1-2-3 trading strategy. So it is very easy, and you can take profit from this strategy, and it is very famous trading strategy because it do not need any much analysis as compared to indicator and other chart pattern. So let me take an example from here. Let me take the example from Apple chart. As you can see, so we are on 5-minute chart, and we will take example for bearish pattern, or bearish 1-2-3 reversal pattern. As you can see from here, the chart is in uptrend or in rally in the beginning, and after this you can see that at this point we can write it as number 1, it is the highest point, number 2 is the lowest, and number 3 is in between these 1 and 2 pattern, as we discussed here in case of bearish pattern. So after the breakout of 2, as you can see here, you can take entry, and you can see this is the live example. I have taken the screenshot of yesterday trading session. So you can see this is quite profitable and easy to understand. If you still want to make more clarification, you can just comment me. I will discuss in detail how to take entry and where to exit, and how to avoid any false pattern for 1 to 3. So let me just take another example in case of bullish trend. Yes, you can take example from this screenshot. So as you can see, the trend here, as you can see, is in downtrend in the beginning, or you can say it is in downtrend, and after this you can mark point like this is one, the lowest, second the another higher, third is in between these. So and it should be above the point 1. So you can take entry after the breakout of 2, and you can put your stop loss after the 1 or 3 as per your money management. So you can take entry from here and wait for a longer target. As you can see, it achieved directly on the chart. So there are many example. I will take more example if you comment me about to take live trade. I will also take live trade on this strategy. So it is very profitable. You have to use this strategy in intraday level, and as per your money management you can use bigger time frame as well. So this is the example of 5-minute intraday level. You can take entries as per your risk reward accordingly. So we will discuss more about this strategy in next video. So thank you.